Okay, students, this is the lesson for all sound, pupil book 1, and you can use both black and white and colored version for this purpose. You can see that in this page we have got a picture for coloring, action over here, capital and small letters, formation and revision of sound, blending on this side, and of course we have got sounding on this side. So let's see how we can go about this page. Okay, so this is the story, and you can see that it's a scene of a bedroom, and Umar and Anya are in bed now. And look at this picture. Umar is going to switch off light. Off. Can you see something over here? An orange octopus and an orange bottle over here. So there are lots of orange stuff and toys over here as well. Okay, so you can see that it's a sound that says aw, aw, aw. Orange octopus and order the octagonal opt for an omelette. Okay, now let's see what is the action. You can pretend to turn a light switch on and off and say aw, aw, aw. Let's revise the action of g and do the action of aw. Okay, let's watch. Aw, on off. Pretending to switch on and switch off. Let's see the formation of aw. Start from the dot and come down. Make a caterpillar k. Go up, round. Start from the dot. Make a caterpillar k. Go up, round, stop. Okay, so you can practice with your finger and on your notebooks like this. Now let's talk about blending. You can blend the two-letter words like this. Og, og, on. And then we have got three-letter words for arm blending. Hot, hot, op, mop. You can also use 4 to 5 letter words for blending practice, and you can, for this purpose, teachers can use word bank in teacher's book. Page numbers are given below. Then comes sounding practice. In this picture, we can see that we have got 4 pictures over here. In the first picture, we have got a plug. We don't have any O sound in it. Octopus. Where is the sound? Socks. Pond. We can find that the sound is in the beginning, in the middle, and at the end, as usual. Can you write these words for dictation? And in the dictation, you need to hold fingers for counting the words so that your correction is not required and your dictation is perfect. So we have got 2 letter words, og, 2 letters, 2 fingers, 2 sounds. D, og, dog, 3 letters, 3 sounds, and 3 fingers. And in this case, we've got odd, 2 sounds, 3 letters, and 2 fingers. Cross, cross. We have got 4 sounds and 5 letters over here. So we are holding the finger for the sounds. We have got 4 sounds, 4 fingers. Okay, so now we have got the song.
Now it's dark, the lights go on. Oh, 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 oh. Time for bed, the lights go off. Oh, 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 oh.
You can find lots of things at home. You can dress like an officer. You can go switch on and off, and you can find lots of switches in your home. You can find orange trees in the gardens, and you can play this game of name, sing, and place. And there are some options given over here, but there is no need to write down the spellings. These are the games for just doing vocabulary practice, maybe at the night time, maybe on the playtime. So no need to write down at this level of the students. So you can play like an optician, wash the ox. Can you count oranges over here? Observe a rescue operation, print oranges with your teacher, or ask your mother to read Fox in Socks. Again, I would like to insist that this reading is only by the teacher or the parent, not by the student, as the students are not ready yet for this reading. Thank you. It's all from my side.